Hello and welcome to Rip Makes. Today we're not actually going to be making anything, but we are going to be unboxing this brand new Clarke benchtop sander which we picked up from Machine Mart. So without further ado, let's get on with it. For those of you who don't like knives being used in new products, I do apologise. So I assume, let's see what that is first. That is a Machine Mart catalogue. Excellent. Right. That's the manual. We're needing that. Let's have a look. There that. So let's have a look. The mitre gauge we'll need. Generic cardboard. And on this side. So I assume that's the yeah, that's the plate, isn't it? So we'll use that. And then what I might do actually is just put this on the floor to get it out. So let's have a look. It's a fairly weighty machine. You know, considering it is in the budget class, very much so. I think I paid about £120 for this, which again is a bargain. Let's have a look. There's another pack of bits there, I presume we'll be needing those. So, like I said, it's really sturdy. I'll give it that straight away. That's obviously the disc sander. That's the belt. From what I remember, this is adjustable. You can read the manual before we start pulling things apart though. On and off switch, UK plug. It's a fairly simple machine. Dust extraction. We won't be able to test that because I've not actually got a shop vac or any sort of dust extraction installed in the workshop yet. So maybe that's a video to come. But it does have it. Right, let's just take a quick look at the manual and see what else we need to assemble. So we've got the table, which I assume goes that way. There we are. That's actually got like a little gauge on the side as well, so you can work out what angle it's at. And then we've got a little adjusting tightening knob and a washer. So pop that on there. Again, all feels, for a budget sander, it's pretty solid, can't really complain. And the casting's good. It's all pretty heavy duty plastics, of what bits are plastic. That's your little mitre gauge. That's got a bit of a movement in it, but I don't know. I'm not planning on doing massively accurate mitre jobs on this anyway. What else have we got? So, installing backstop. This thing here. More bits. So in there you've got an Allen key, and two Allen screws, the washers on, and obviously the bracket itself, the backstop, and that just goes on in the back here. And that's another Allen key to add to my collection of assembly Allen keys, which I'm sure most people have got hundreds of. So that's height adjustable as well, so I'll make that a little higher, which probably will. There we go. What I'll probably do with that is I tend to just have like a magnet or something, so you can just click it to it, so if you do need to adjust it, you've got the tool to hand. So I think that's just about it. So next thing, get it plugged in and give it a bit of a test. So now we're a bit closer, I'll show you some of the other features on this a little closer. So we've got the 6-inch sanding disc, 4-inch wide belt. This is pretty cool because it's on a tilt, so all that can move up and you can sort of lock that in place wherever you need it, which is pretty good. Again, just with that same Allen key. As I said before, so the table can tilt and slide. What we will do though is just set that up for 90 degrees while we're there. So on the gauge, yeah, that's bang on, which is good. So other things, this is like the tightening, if we can change the belt and actually add more tension to it, on and off switch, obviously. Yeah, so I think the next best thing really is to start sanding some stuff. So first of all, let's just test it on some wood. So I feel like that's what you're mainly going to be using it for. That's what I'm going to be using it for anyway. So let's start it up. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, really happy with that. Easy to use, nice and smooth. One thing that's clearly evident right from the outset is I am going to have to sort out dust extraction in here. I've just been covered in a plume of it, but that's to be expected without anything connected. But yeah, really happy with that. Let's test it on the actual belt now as well. Yeah, again, that's really impressive. Don't know what grit the paper is on here, but we'll have a look at that. Obviously, you can change those out for different kinds. But yeah, happy with that. Next up, I'm going to try some plastic piping, see what that does. Again, yeah, that is eating through material really well. I just added like a little chamfer on the edge of that and then ground it away again. Yeah, it's good, impressed. This is pushing it a little bit. I've got a little piece of aluminium here. So yeah, I've been able to add a nice little rounded corner to that, no problem. Really impressed with it. Well, I'm a bit more dusty than I was before, but so I definitely need to look into dust extraction at some point. But in terms of the sander, I'm really impressed with it. It does exactly what it says on the tin. Like I say, it's 120-ish pounds. I'll put a link in the description below. I think for that, you can't really complain. It's pretty good. It's really solid, really good starting. You know, I've never owned one of these before, so I think as a budget beginner's one, I think it's great. It's got the ability to, you know, obviously to clamp it to a bench somewhere, so as soon as I've figured out the layout of the space a bit more, it will get a permanent home. But other than that, I can't wait to use it on a proper project. So, you know the usual, like, subscribe, and yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.